Subscribe to Femina and press the bell icon.
Hi guys, I'm Swati and today I'm going to show you how to create beachy waves. So let's get started. Comb hair and remove knots. Apply heat protectant serum to your hair. Section hair into 1-inch locks. Comb to remove any tangles. Clamp hair and pull straightener down till you reach the center. Twist the straightener inward as shown and pull down. Repeat steps for other sections. Straighten bangs. Gently run your fingers through your hair to loosen curls. Apply hairspray to keep your waves intact. I'm going to pin up into a half updo like so. Spritz some more spray on the lower ends of your hair. And you're done!